I got, oh man. I get over here with oh yeah, my boots are gone. Hey, you can't be taking piss there. Welcome back to that one garage. You're gonna see how muddy, it's slick as can be out here. It's raining, it's February. Usually the ground's still frozen. Get this payloader out of here. So you got the payloader, it's a Caterpillar 930M, John Deere 7810 feed wagon. This new feed wagon, a lot better than the old one. Let's see if I can squeeze this thing out of here. Without crashing anything. I've seen a guy get one of these, didn't know what he was doing, and swung the front end right into a building before. Yeah. He thought the wheels turned for steering, when actually it's pivots, you know. Anyone that's drove one of these knows that. But he didn't. All the fancy controls that, you know, I just know the forward and reverse and the bucket. That's all I need to know. I don't need all of this or that or any of that. I'm used to ones with the windows busted out and all that kind of stuff from the 60s. This one here is pretty fancy. I might as well move this thing too. You don't need any clean skid steers, they're fine. It's powered by Cummins. It's an ASV. Yeah, it's real fun to get into when you're getting older. semi-tractor and wagon. It's got the readout there and one there. I'm getting another one for the other side, just like that one there. I suppose I need fuel. Don't worry about that monsters, they're fine. That's not close, is it? Nice thing about these wagons is they don't jackknife, and you can turn. The PTO won't bend or none of that shit. The other one I slid down the other wagon I slid down the hill there, and I couldn't get control. Slid sideways, bent the PTO shaft into a U. That was great. Shift right there in the A4. Park. Turn on the scale. Clear it. Says 0. You can put bales in here and grind them up too. It's got the choppers in it. This is what I gotta get done on mine. Just put one of these in here and have them both on each one on each side. Turn it on in here, and yeah, a lot better. 0. This ain't my tractor though. Shop's empty. Well, I better get some fuel. red fuel. Farm fuel. Oh yeah. Nothing. It's great trying to feed cattle and then you slide around in this against the bunks. Perfect. Cheese bowl now. Time to go to work. Well, coming up on the first pin. Oh yeah, this is the one. We're gonna move the bunks. I'm coming down here anyways, and he's got the payloader because you gotta move the bunks because the cows are belly deep. When they go to the feeder, the bunks, the feed bunks, they're standing there and their bellies dragging in the mud. So yeah, it's real good here. It's four-wheeling. Sliding already. Look at, oh, I'm going straight, but my wheels are turned. When I get up there, I'll bring it back because it's over there. I don't know, you can't see nothing because it's been foggy for 3-4 days. Yeah, love sliding around. Come on, son, come out. So he's moving bunks about 40 feet to the west. The mud's still deep. Woo! You guys ain't hungry, I got the food. They think there's food in there, the feed. They're all coming to the bunks.
Shit, I might have to make 2 lines out here. God damn, I just don't know what to do, Robert. I mean, this is gonna be deeper shit here in a few days here too.
I know when I fed them yesterday, I seen their legs were completely gone when they were eating.
That old Kevin Costner said on Yellowstone, I couldn't have dreamed this up in 7 Sundays.
Listen to that. I wash the tractor and wagon almost every day. My radiator gets plugged up, and this year is all covered, completely covered if I go any more than 5 miles per hour when I'm trying to get to the pen. Oh yeah, it's great. That's just the way it goes. Shouldn't complain. That's just the way it is. Oh, hey, my tractor. Don't hit it, boy. Huh? No, one more load, but I figured he was going to do it. Because that's what he's been doing yesterday. He had him do it, but to go out there, but I don't know. I don't know what he did. He got out of there, so you got your corn over there. Hey, you hid my wagon. I got evidence. You got it? Are you sure? You want to be on camera, right? Okay. Later, Macarena. $4,200 corn. This here is, it smells real great. Distiller. Good job, Macarena. If I can get out of here. Oh yeah, I can't steer. Gotta use the foot. The left brake makes, you know, it turns then. Does turning things. Here comes the hay. $9,190. Oh yeah, right in my radiator. That's where you want it. Hay dust. Get that bucket down, boy. You tip over. Tractor will be tits up. Oh, my wagon's starting to slide. Well, I meant payloader, tractor, whatever. His name's Christian. I call him Macarena. That song came up and he started saying it to me, so now I call him Macarena. What Macarena? Hey, you can't be taking piss there. He takes a piss wherever he feels like it. Hey, I got you on camera. Yeah. You go. You see that's holy shit. Look at my wagon's you know, fishtailing on the side there. That's fine. You want it to do that. A1. Keep wheels on. So these controllers here, this is the shifts PTO heater that runs this chute. Here comes the cows. start early in the morning. It's still dark when I start, and this continues on till 1, 2 o'clock, and then you got a fixed fence. You got cows coming in or cows going out, working cattle, stuff like that. It's all day, every day, 7 days a week. The cows ain't gonna feed themselves. Don't worry about getting out of the tractor and stepping into stuff that's not mud. You're like, oh yeah, how am I gonna? Oh yeah, ankle deep. Shit, how am I gonna get in there? I don't want to go deep. Something about. Yeah, my favorite. Don't worry about it. That ain't mud. That ain't mud. Oh shit! Why? Oh man! That's the worst it's been for a long time. Can I get over here without? Oh yeah, my boots are gone. Oh shit! Yep, that's what it is. Shit. Yeah. Favorite. Oh, they're coming. They want food. Hungry. Oh, my boot almost came off. Man. Oh. Yep. That's perfectly fine. Off go. Let's see. Cows want to eat. They'll be following me too. Yeah, farming's easy. All you guys do is sit in tractors all day. Some guy told me that one time. I'm like, oh, well, there's a fence out there I fixed. These water tanks, when it was 40 below, they froze up, chopped the ice out of them, had to heat them up, sitting out in that 40 below with the wind, yeah, it's like 80 below, and it ain't easy. I like to see that guy go out here and chop ice 40 below, 9 tanks, 10 tanks with half a foot thick ice in it overnight. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. See, they're following me. Cows. Here they come. I go all the way out here to get them away from the gate because they're taking off. Oh shit, they're taking off. Hey Christian, cows are leaving. And I'm halfway in here, so
I'll be right down there.
See that? Just following the wagon. They're not starving, but they sure act like it. Get out of the way.